Yeah.
I wouldn't be standing alone tonight.
Yeah. Oh. And I landed it. There you go. See?
Yeah. We wandering off and shit, dog. Yeah. Finish my cup, then post some more.
Got a special package today from the guys at Roadside RC. I won their giveaway, and their prize was a Redcat Everest 10, and it just required a servo, which I had an extra MG 995 Metal Gear 13 kg digital high torque. It's not waterproof, but I may take it apart and spray with Corrosion X. It came with extra parts. It looks like they have a metal transmission and a metal spur gear on here, and a note here. Phil, I really hope you enjoy this. Troy, Logan, and James, Roadside RC. Now, the first thing I noticed was it had like some really nice G-made, like weighted wheels and tires. But when I noticed that they modified this frame. It's got a longer frame, so the shocks are sitting at a different angle now, and they're shorter shocks, and they're at a different angle. So this is almost more like a solid axle monster truck now, rather than a crawler. With the modifications they've done, I did not know that this was modified like this. I knew that they probably changed a few things, but this is a lot lower, and the chassis is a lot longer. And the battery tray's been modified, and the center of gravity is a lot lower, and it's more like a solid axle monster truck now. What I'm thinking about doing is putting some wheel extensions on here. Maybe just 5-10 millimeter. And I'm running these tires on right now because these are like balloon style monster truck tires. I put a 3S in here and it was moving, but the weights in the G-made tires we're going to break these axles going that speed. If I was going to crawl really slow, then yeah, those might work. But 3S and bouncing around like a solid axle monster truck, these tires and wheels were perfect. And they're more offset. So it's not rubbing on anything in here. So I put my one of my iconic receivers in, and this servo here, and these tires, and we're about to go outside and let it rip. It looks like I need another body post here, not a big deal, and probably going to need a drive shaft, not a big deal. They make metal ones too, because I may go brushless with this. I might do the extensions and a brushless system and keep it on 2S. But yeah, let me get out here real quick, guys, and run it in the yard. 1 second. Yeah, Indo. I think it's set on boat mode, so the reverse is slow right now. This is on 3S, but I'm not sure how good the battery is right now. Yeah, I gotta change the jumper to crawl mode, give me some more reverse speed. Almost. They're rubbing just a little. The other ones were rubbing a lot. I think it's cool. Thanks, guys.